Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in this best pellet smoker for beginners list is Traeger Grills Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. This Traeger grill has a strong steel frame and a long-lasting powder coat finish, as well as easy-to-clean porcelain grill grates and all-terrain wheels. The Digital Pro controller features advanced cooking logic, which maintains a plus or minus 15 Fahrenheit temperature control for precise cooking. The large food preparation capability is 884 square inches of cooking space, which can accommodate 8 chickens, 7 shelves of ribs, or 40 burgers. The Traeger Pro Series 34 pellet grill provides 6-in-1 adaptability to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue food to juicy perfection. It is hot as well as fast, or low as well as slow. Traeger grills are fueled by 100% all-natural hardwood pellets that infuse amazing wood-fired flavor into everything you cook. Our second pick is Cuisinart Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Cuisinart Wood Pellet Barbecue Grill and Smoker is a versatile innovation that can grill, smoke, roast, bake, and braise a variety of foods. It can slow roast or smoke chicken, beef, pork, and seafood, but it also works as an oven and can bake pizza, biscuits, and cornbread. This fantastic pellet grill and smoker makes outdoor dining more enjoyable. With the celebrated flavors of grilled and smoked foods, provide guests with a memorable experience. With all-terrain wheels and a stable handle, it's simple to position on a deck or patio for grilling and roll it away when not in use. With an integrated spigot that drains hot grease into a cup rather than accumulating in the bottom of the grill stays cleaner. A 2-tiered cooking grate allows for more food to be grilled, and a handy folding shelf stores tools, spices, and servingware. The Cuisinart Wood Pellet Barbecue Grill and Smoker can cook foods low and slow or hot and fast thanks to precision temperature control. The thermostat has an LED temperature display and automatically maintains heat. It even adds pellets to the fire when necessary. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our best pellet smoker for beginners list is ZGrills Wood Pellet Grill Smoker. This ZGrill is the ultimate 8-in-1 barbecue wood-fired pellet grill, allowing you to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue food all in one grill. Wonderful smoke flavor not only makes grilling easier, powered by 100% hardwood pellets to produce heat and smoke, infusing your food with a full-flavored wood-fire preference that'll make your taste buds sing. Ideal for the house, parties, and tailgating, 5 13-inch 2-key rack and 1 87-inch 2-warm shelf, 20-pound receptacle capacity that can hold approximately 20 burgers, 5 whole chickens, or 6 shelves of ribs. The automated electrical feed system maintains temperatures ranging from 180 to 450 Fahrenheit, while the smart digital controller maintains temperatures within plus or minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit and makes setting the grill temperature level as simple as turning a dial. Fueled by premium 100% wood pellets to produce heat and smoke, infusing your food with a full-flavored wood-fire flavor that will make your taste sing. The Pellet grill's durable steel construction with a high-temperature powder coating finish ensures years of ultimate wood-fired grilling enjoyment. For details, let's watch more. Fourth in this list is ZGrills 1000D3E Pellet Grill Smoker. ZGrills with pellet technology gets you wood-fire flavor at the convenience of propane or gas. Just put enough pellets into the hopper, pick your desired temperature, and let ZGrills do the rest. Sturdy double-wall construction and equipped with a stronger stainless steel lid makes the pellet grill long-lasting, bringing you years of ultimate wood-fired grilling experience. 1,056 square in of grilling space that can accommodate 30 burgers, 6 rib racks, or 5 chickens effortlessly. Offer 3 tiers of porcelain-coated grit construction, ideal for home, party, and barbecue entertainment. Experience true versatility with this all-in-one grill. Smoke, bake, roast, sear, braise, barbecue, and char grill food with 100% all-natural hardwood pellets that infuse amazing wood-fired flavor into everything you cook. The auger system and a variable speed fan adjust the pellet feed rate and oxygen supply for steady, consistent temperatures. Fire up deliciously consistent results every time. Number 5 in our list is Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. The Weber Smokey Hill is a barbecue classic all over the world. It gives your meat the big smoky flavor of specialist equipment, but it's extremely simple in design. Furthermore, because it is vertical, it does not have a large footprint in your lawn or patio area. The Smokey Mountain Cooker Smoker has 2 cooking grades for smoking multiple items at once, with a removable door and dampers that adjust easily so that you're always in control of the heat in your feast. The porcelain enameled lid, bowl, and center section retain heat for consistent smoking. The finish also prevents rusting, cracking, and peeling while withstanding high temps. Control the temperature of your smoker by easily adjusting the dampers. Closing the dampers completely will cut the oxygen flow to help extinguish coals. Easy assembly required. Instructions available in user guide attachment. Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker reaches approximately 190 degrees Fahrenheit inside temperature. 3D interactive assembly instructions for this product are available through the free Build app. For details, let's watch more.